Hi, I'm Kenzie, and my project I did was Just Dance using cells analogies. So I compared different parts of the game to in different ways the game is introduced as using different parts of a cell. And what were the questions again?
What did you learn from this?
I learned a lot of stuff actually. At first, I thought it was just gonna be okay. The dance moves would be nucleus because the dance moves control the points you earn and all this other stuff. But I actually had to realize that there wasn't that many parts of the game that I actually could use because they didn't make sense using the analogies. So I had to look through different things there's reset buttons. There's I had to use the disk as a way of comparing it to a cell membrane because and other stuff. So so it did make me realize there's more stuff to the game than meets the eye. So,
Is that anything like a cell?
yeah, there are some stuff in there like a cell because a cell has all these different things inside of it that control how certain things take place in the cell. Like what happens when this what happens when this comes in? What does this do to protect the cell, etc., etc.
Very cool. And what is your digital program that you use?
I just use Google Slides, mainly because this helps me I can use other images to transfer there. I tried using Powtoons. It didn't really work for me that much because it was more putting, to me I just thought it was more putting all that stuff. It was more complicated to put all that other stuff in there than doing the actual learning itself. So I just wanted something that would evenly balance it out. Something that let me use the knowledge I already knew and the research I found inside of it while putting in pictures more.
Excellent. Thank you.
The Lime Zone reset button. So I thought I was just going to use certain things that just are part of the game, playing the game itself. But then I realized, oh hey, there's settings in it to where you can reset one thing that happens, or you can reset all the stuff. And so I just choose the reset button because it cleans out everything like a Lime Zone in a cell does.
Fantastic.